Welcome to the Shady Maple Development Plan Part 1. Timer started. Shady Maple Dave, high school teacher in Pennsylvania. He teaches kids how to work with Chief Architect. And for the last 3 years, whenever he needs a little help, he just gives me a call and asks me for help. Ain't that interesting? Jeez. Anyway, and what he wants to do here is he wants to create a subdivision or development. And I think he wants all his kids, everybody in the class, to make one house and put it on a lot. And then probably at the end of the semester, everybody takes their house and they put it on a common lot. So we can see how, all the houses, what they did. Now, I made this simple. I just took the same house over and over again. So how do you go about that? I think this is essentially what he's going to look for in the end, something like this. And what is this right now? This is the house that's me. I'm a student. I made this house. And this is the house I made, and I put it on the site. Now, what are these other houses? These other houses are simply symbols from my classmates. And they created a symbol for me, and they gave it to me, and I plopped it into my file. The point is, you don't want to have 8 houses in the same file, in the same plan file. It'd get too big. So you just have one house in the plan file. So this is my house in the plan file. And yeah, and okay, and now, so how do we create this? How do we create this symbol right there? Because we want the rest of the houses in my plan file. If I go to my house, my plan, this is my plan right here. See, this is my house right here. And if I go HH to, I use hotkeys a lot. So HH to do a full overview. Here is my boop. Oh, give me a second. I'll figure this out in a second. This symbol, by the way, I put on its own layer. Symbol house. So it's not there yet, okay? This is the plan that I created. Now, at the end of the semester, I want to share my house with my fellow students. So I want to give them a symbol. So how do I create a symbol? Well, I've created an anno set that triggers a layer set. I'm going to change it to an anno set that's called A4 floor plan symbol. I know what this means. This is the anno set. So if I would do any annotation, I'm sorry. Okay, so on the right here, this is my anno set, and on the left here, this is my layer set. And so this is my layer set. And this is what I'm going to send to, this is what I'm going to make a symbol of. And what I had done is I had turned off a lot of layers. I turned off the roads. I turned off the roads. I turned off the fences, but I didn't turn off the gate, did I? I didn't turn off this gate over here. I forgot to turn off the gate, so I better turn that gate off. No, it's a DOOR gates right here. I'm going to turn that gate off, right? Now, I think this is when I made this symbol for all those other houses. This is what I used. Now, sorry, I'm on a PC. I've switched to a Mac now, and I like the Mac a lot better. To be quite frank with you, this is the model that I'm going to send to my buddies. Why is that? Why is that fence making a mess of my walls now? Did it always do that? No. Why is it doing it now? I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to figure it out. So, but what I failed to do is trim the symbol down. The symbols that I made were quite big because I did not turn off the furnitures. Where is it? Furniture. I did not turn off all my, well, shoot, I ought to turn off all my framing. Turn off all my framing, turn off all my furniture. I don't need that for the model. And so it makes it smaller. What about electrical? Do I have electrical in here? No, I don't have any electrical in here yet. Nope. Doors, labels, yeah. I think, is everything else okay? Yeah, I could turn off all my interior fixtures. Make it even smaller. Because I'm going to make a symbol out of this, right, and share it with my buddies. Okay, so now I've stripped it down. And so a problem with turning off all those symbols is if you want to look inside the house. If you want to look inside the house, you won't see that stuff. You won't see the symbols and stuff, right? You won't see the cabinets and stuff. But maybe that's not important. So now you're just going to make a symbol. Tools, symbol, convert to symbol. Let's see. I'm going to make it millwork. Pick what you want, but I think millwork makes sense. I'm going to add it to the library. I'm going to show advanced options. I show advanced options so I can give it a name. Now it's going to take a little bit of time. The first symbol I made took about a minute, I guess, to generate because it's getting all that information. This one I pared it down because I got rid of all the framing. I think when it creates the symbol, it creates all the framing and it shows all the cabinets and all that other stuff. In fact, I didn't get rid of the cabinets, I don't think. So I'm going to put this on pause and we'll just see how long it takes. Okay, it was only off for about 10 seconds. So I've made it now. Symbol name. Now this is a Shady Maple Junk 2. Now this symbol is probably going to be smaller than the other one I made, I bet. So now I've created that symbol. And you're going to say, well, where is the symbol? I'm going to say, I don't know. Okay, now it's creating again. It's putting in the library. My library is closed. I think my library will automatically open once that symbol's made. So then I can give it, well, it already should have a name. Okay, I'll turn this off again. Okay, it was off for about 15 seconds. Okay, here's this other. This is the one I made the first time. Let's see if I can open this symbol up. Open. Can I do that? I want to know how big the symbol is. That's all I want to know. Oh, I just hate this crap, man. I can't take this stuff. I hate the PC now. I swear I hate it. I think it's my PC. Hopefully you got a decent PC. This is nonsense. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, brother? Anyway, bottom line is that's what I did. I created this. Can I escape now? No. Yeah, okay. I created a symbol. So, there it is right there. Number of faces, 109,000. This has 109,000 faces. That's the first one I made. Now remember, I pared it down a little bit. Let's just see how big the other one is, just for the fun of it. Just because I want to know too. 109,000. I hate the PC. I hate it. I hate it. Okay, so I'm going to open this symbol. I right-clicked, and I'm going to open, and I'm going to see if it's less than 109,000. Okay, it's going to open it up. See, it's so big, it takes a long time to open, I guess. So you got to learn, I don't know, how to do things faster. I'm going to turn this off. Okay, it was only off for about another 10 seconds or so. So this is 41,000. See this? 41,000 faces. So it's a lot smaller. So it's a smaller symbol. And that's probably what you want to do is you want to pare this down to just the exterior walls and the roof if you want. Get rid of all the framing and the electrical and that stuff. W. So anyway, here's the symbol. So now you can put this symbol right here. And what's kind of cool about this is it really kind of gives you a bird's eye view of what this looks like. Now, I think you'll notice that what orthographic view, I just added another symbol, okay? I just added another one. And you can change those symbols if you want, but anyway, don't bother with it. So what I want to say is I'm going to turn on my houses. Home is a quick key to get home. Turn on my symbol house, turn that on. Now you'll notice that when I made this symbol over here, my latest symbol, it probably ended up on the millwork layer. It probably ended up on the millwork layer, and I'm going to put it on the, see? I'm going to put this on the 9. 9's my short key to turn on something. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Oh, no, you. I want to you. It's my hotkey to open it up. You. And I want to put it on its own layer. There's 1,000 ways I got it done that. This is one way of doing it. This is the slow way to do it. I didn't think about it, okay? Home, symbol, house, timer up. That's 10 minutes. So I think every student will probably have a site plan, and then they're going to have their own lot, and then they're going to create their house on their lot. And we're going to get to the lot in part 2. So here, you can see right here, this is my property. That's my property right there. and everybody's going to have their own property. Sue's going to have a house over here, and Pete's going to have a house over here probably. And you build your own house, and then your fellow students give you the symbol to put them on there. Now we're going to get to the lots, how to create the lots, and that's the end of part 1.